All right, what's up, Mogul family? Stephen Howell here, and another video for you. So today's video is going to be about daydreaming. Yes, that's right, daydreaming. And I want to tell you in this video, this is an inner game video, to stop daydreaming. Now, what in the world do I mean by this? So it is very popular these days, the whole the visualizing stuff, right? You see it all over Instagram, all over social media, all over the internet of just think positive thoughts, just, really visualize exactly what you want to achieve, and you're going to get there so much faster. See it. And although there is some truth to that, right? We have to be able to think things through, and we have to really have that belief and believe it's possible, not just in general, but we really need to believe that it's possible for us personally to accomplish something. So there is power in visualizing stuff and thinking things through. There is that. But it can also have a negative impact. And I've experienced this firsthand working with students around the country. I've experienced this in them as well. And there's actually studies now that have been published. I don't have any fancy stats for you, but there are studies out there that have been published that basically state that, having these positive fantasies about what you're going to accomplish, what you're looking to accomplish, and really kind of almost daydreaming and really just focusing and thinking like of yourself as of already achieving that success and living in that, when in reality you're not, it can have a negative impact on our motivation and on our follow through, right, with our actual production, because it triggers certain areas of the brain that, oh my goodness, like we've already accomplished that thing, so we have like less drive to actually go out there and do that very thing. So my friend, I just want to give you this video as an alternative mindset to that, to say, yes, really think about what you want, but don't indulge in this form of fantasy where you're constantly living and thinking of it already happening. Better yet, what you can do, a very simple thing, is simply look at where you are and exactly where you want to go, and then map out those key milestones that it's going to take. What income producing activities, what actions, what marketing, what big time actions can you take to get you closer to that goal, and what actions have you already taken? And then when you see like, okay, like, man, I still have a lot to do here, then you can really start mapping out those next required actions. What's the next thing I need to just do to get closer to this? Okay, boom. What's the next thing? And once you kind of see, hey, I still have a long way to go, you're focused on an objective. You're focused on the next key thing that's going to move you closer, rather than kind of just sitting back and daydreaming about what it would be like to experience your goal. You're actually proactively getting closer to completing your goal. And my friend, over the years, this has been something that, especially on those bigger projects, especially on those things where it requires you to step out of your comfort zone and get a little uncomfortable, it's very easy to start accumulating like little to-dos that really don't matter, but we kind of talk ourselves into acting like it matters. Like, oh, well, I really got to get this done, or I got to get ready in this area. I have to prepare over here. And it's like we're doing everything but the thing that we need to do. But at the same time, we're kind of daydreaming like, okay, I've already accomplished this big thing in my mind, and it kind of gets us in that place, where we aren't progressing, right? And I've experienced that. I see that in a lot of people, and I think this is a helpful thing for you to really kind of understand that there's a healthy side of visualizing and thinking things through, but there's that other side of kind of like real talk. It's time to get busy and take some decisive action. And just like anything in life, there's balance, and I want you to have successful balance, and I want you to get focused and get some things accomplished, my friends. So I hope you found this video valuable, and you have an awesome day. Thanks.